What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alex here, and today I have a really cool secret Galaxy feature that I bet most of you guys have never even heard of and have no idea that your phone can do. And it will pretty much allow you to go completely incognito and off the grid by shutting down all of your phone's sensors. And your phone won't be able to access the camera, your microphone, or any of the sensors built into your phone. Now, to enable it, what you want to do is go to your phone settings and then scroll all the way down until you see developer options. If you don't have developer options enabled, go to About Phone, tap on Software Information, look for your build number right there and tap on this 7 times and you can see it's going to enable developer mode. So get it enabled and then you can go back to your phone settings and you'll get this developer options down here. Next, what you're going to do is go up to this search icon, tap on here and search for developer tile. So there you go. We can see develop quick settings, developer tiles. That's what it's called. So tap onto this. It'll take you down here. So tap into here and then you'll see this option here that says sensors off. Now you're going to have this disabled by default, but go ahead and toggle this on. And what that's going to do is if we exit out of here, when we bring down our notification panel, if we go to our quick settings, you'll get this new quick setting toggle right here. And when you enable it, this is going to completely shut down all of your phone's sensors. And this includes your microphone, your camera, your gyroscope, the accelerometer, the proximity sensor. Everything on your phone will be completely shut down. And to prove it, if we try to launch our camera, you can see that it says security policy prevents use of camera. We cannot use our camera. Also, if we try to do a voice recording, we'll go to our voice recorder. If we start recording, you can see that it's recording, but there is no audio input. It is completely blank. It's not recording our audio because our microphone has been turned off. So all of your sensors are pretty much disabled and no applications or anything will be able to access these. Even your watch, if you're wearing a smartwatch, it won't be able to record your heart rate. Now, what's nice about this is your Wi-Fi and your mobile data will still work, so you can still use your phone. Also, the speakers will still be able to transmit audio, so you can watch videos and you can listen to music, and all other apps that don't require access to these sensors like a microphone or camera will still work properly. So you might be wondering, what is the point of doing this? Well, the reason you might want to do this is if you are somebody who maybe has a lot of applications on your phone that require access to maybe your microphone or your location or even maybe sometimes your camera, and you might be in a work meeting or you might be just talking about some really personal things or sensitive data at work or in a meeting, shutting down these sensors will make sure that absolutely no application or no person will be able to listen in on your conversation. And once you're ready, all you need to do is go back here, disable this toggle, and now everything should be working again. So if we try to launch our camera, you can see our camera works. And then if we go back into our voice recorder, this should start recording our audio. So there you go. You can see everything is back to normal. And there you go, guys. Just a really cool secret Galaxy tip I know a lot of people don't know about and could come in really handy for certain people. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.